seem to work. This is day 2. He's a lumberjack. Act like he knows what he's doing. Look at that. Come all the way from Texas to get some of this, and I put your butt to work. Check out what he's split so far. All of that. About 2 ricks so far. He's splitting and I'm stacking. This is all stuff he split in the last 2 days. This is what we've got left to burn this year. Just a little over a cord left, so we're doing good. Yeah, Big Bird's working.
She had a wedding ring on, so.
That's why she was there. Well, Big Bird had to leave, go back to Texas, but he did manage to split almost a full cord. Just got a little dip right here in this last rick. Almost a full cord of wood before he left. So while I enjoy his company and we have fun fishing when I go to Texas and all that, I really appreciate him coming to help me with all this wood. Because it's that time of year, folks. You got to get that firewood up. I still have almost, well, a little over a cord actually left from last year, so that's good. And there's still a little more to split, but not much. Now, this little amount here is what's left by the splitter, but I have an entire tree, well, 2 entire trees down that I still need to take care of, so we'll have more than enough firewood for next year, that's for sure.